What is up, guys? It's Amanh here, and today we're going to be making a yeet type beat. So I have a synth over here, and I changed the BPM to 142, so let's create a pattern. I have an 808 over here, so let's create a pattern. Let's add some drums now. So I added this counter synth pattern over here just to create some more different variations. I created this brass part to create a bit more texture in the sound. I also took a voice sample and I just created a little melody with it. So there's two parts. This is the first one. And this is the second one. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and let me know if you want more content like this.